I'm doing Heel Slings by JSRL Design. This is an assembly video. That's the position of my trike. I'm sitting in front of it. I've got these wear bars. They're little plastic bars. This is the rear pedal. It's got this hole right here, see? That's the rear, the front doesn't. Rear blade, you attach this. This is where those straps, the straps that are the heel slings, are going to lay in these grooves. So we've got to run this zip tie through this hole. Running it through the hole there. And then, okay. Can you put the pointer through here, dear? Okay. And what you want, okay, so we've got the clip, the zip tie clipped. We've got these grooves aligned with this hole. Same thing over here. Now I've got extra zip ties. Let's see if I'm supposed to keep those or put these on. Okay, now we've got the cable assembly. And we're supposed to, I'm trying to get it to where it focuses. It's awfully hard here. We're supposed to loosen that Phillips screw, and then you got mushroom ends. Okay? There's the Phillips screw and there's a mushroom end. We're supposed to pull them together. Same thing on the other end. Okay, so we've done that. This is what it looks like. Okay, what we've done, there's our support bar. We loosened our cables. We run the mushroom ends down through here into this hole between the axle. They're going to lay rest here. Then you thread them through this part right here, which you can't see my finger, this part right here. And here's the mushroom's ends. Oops. And it's got to go back through there. And I do not have four hands. That's my wonderful wife. Okay, let it kind of sit there. And what I'm assuming next is that we take these screws out and run them up here. This is not a Phillips head, but an Allen wrench. So we've got them started. So I've got an Allen wrench. Let's see which one fits it. We'll see. All right. As you can see, it was 1/8 Allen wrench and 3/8 wrench, open wrench to hold this in there. So those are two tools you're going to need, a 3/8 wrench. And remember, when you're tightening these down, the mushroom ends, you've got to push this plate up against where they're held tight and they're not loose. So there's our support bar, and those are our grooves. That might be one almost done. It should look like this. I think that's what it looks like. Pretty much. Now I'm going to have to adjust these to where it fits my foot. So we'll take a look at that. Now let's do this one. Oh boy. Doing the straps. They fall out. Oh, screws come out. That's what's happened.
So they're gone.
Well, we gotta find them. They weren't tightened down enough. Great.
They're silver.
Third trip around. We found it. Right there. Go ahead and get it. Okay, we're gonna do a first real test of these heel slings so we see how they do. Okay, we just got back from like a 12-mile bike ride. The straps did okay, the heel slings. It still takes a little getting used to get them in there. And you still have to watch that little vertical bar, the first thing we put in, the plastic bar, because that thing still wants to slip out. You got to strap it in there really tight, but every time you take your foot out, see where that bar is, because it will kink on you and go down into the pedals. But it's better than nothing. It's $30, and I do not want that to happen. What happened to me, where the bike slammed into the back of my legs when it got kicked out. So if you can't afford the others, use this heel sling.